Hi there, ladies. Welcome back to my channel. This is Tammy Embrich from makeupproductsonline.com. Today it's going to be an Avon unboxing and also discussing two products that I'm loving, one that I'm not. First of all, this is one of the products that I'm loving. These aren't Avon. These are some earrings that I got next door to the nail place that I got my nails done. Look how long these nails have gotten. Tonight, I have got to get them off. So, and put something else on them. But these I'm loving. Leopard print. Doesn't it look amazing with this top? I love it. And also, I'm loving the Belif, the True Cream Aqua Bomb as a primer. I love how my makeup went on. My concealer blended really nice, and my powder foundation blended really nice. I couldn't believe how quick that I could blend everything in. This is amazing. I got a trial size jar, little container in my box here. So at least I'm pretty sure I ordered it. But anyway, those are the two products that I'm loving. Well, I haven't discussed this yet. I'm not loving this. The Avon Glimmer Kiss. And this is, oh my gosh, the shade is very faint on the bottom. In fact, it's a little, what is it? I can't find the shade, but it's shimmer purple. Oh my gosh. I should have kept it on to show you exactly what I was talking about. It's so dark that I looked like a vampire. I'm not kidding. I didn't like it at all. In the container, it's a real pretty shimmer purple. I love it in the container, not on my lips. So, it was hard to get it off too. So anyway, enough about that. Are you guys ready for another unboxing? Let's get at it here. Let's see, I'm gonna take the tape off the box. I love poppers. If I can just pop just one. Can't forget it. I ordered the some samples, VDL Lumi Layer Duo. It is a primer. So I'm going to try that out. And let's see. Yep, this is the, it looks just like the moisturizing balm. Although it doesn't have an elephant on the front of that. It's a whale. So let's get this open here. Really not sure why I'm really opening it, but oh my gosh, I cannot believe how much I love the Aqua Bomb for a primer. I love it, love it, love it. That's what the Aqua Bomb looks like. Has a faint, clean smell. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand here. When I was demoing this for you, my last, no, it was the time before my last one was the watch, but I'll put just a little bit more on so you can see. In fact, I will link that video in the description box below so you guys can see how much I put on. I put on way too much. A little goes a long way with this. Not so much the moisturizing balm, but this, the Aqua Balm, a little goes a long way, just so you know. And this is the moisturizing balm. So now I got both. These are trial sizes. And I will link that video in the description box below. Okay, this is the What's New Campaign 10. Oh my gosh. I just got a peek at it, guys. Awesome jewelry. Oh, this is the styling tools. Spin and curl. The straightener. And the blow dryer. Nice stuff. And this is the Campaign 8. And this is all about their foundation makeup. And I thought I ordered, I got some jewelry, guys. Don't yell at me because I got jewelry. Okay, this is the Rhinestone Color Pop Bracelet, purple. I love how they package things. That is gorgeous. That's a bracelet. Love it. Purple and silver. Okay, put that back in the box. I don't want to get them mixed up. Okay, this is hammered drop earrings. I thought these were really, really pretty. Come on. Okay. They had these in here tight. Plastic. Like I said, I hope you guys are having a really good day. Again, this is the hammered drop earrings. I love them. So pretty. Yes, jewelry. Jewelry. And more jewelry. Now, Avon has so much nice stuff coming out for spring. And Halo Teardrop Ring Set. I put this one in a little Avon pouch. I just love these little pouches. Now, sometimes they're hard to get apart. To open it. Again, I just love the way Avon packages things. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a 2-ring set. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Very nice. Very nice. Gotta put it back in the box so I don't get them mixed up. And this is a modern pink ring set. I thought this set was gorgeous. So you cut it open. Come on, Jamie. Okay. That. Trying to. That's the set. Three separate rings. Isn't that pretty? I love it. There's 2 circles, one smaller one and then one bigger one, and then a little, it's not a heart, it's a triangle. Beautiful. There's that. And one more jewelry item. Sterling silver, opulent cubic zirconio, halo, teardrop. I just showed you that, I think. Modern pink ring set. Where I get them all. I knew there was 3 separate ones that I ordered. I'm not with it today, guys. I did show you 3 different ones. Yeah. Purple bracelet in the hammer drop earrings. In those rings. Okay, the Cashmere Complexion Longwear Foundation. Avon. Let's see. Put my glasses on to see the shade. Sorry guys, I am just not with it today. Okay. Sand. It's so tiny. And it's a light, it's like a dark gray. Let's see, maybe the box has it. Yeah, right here. Meringue. It's called Meringue. I really like the packaging. Again, it's the Avon Longwear Foundation Cashmere Collection. And I got the concealer as well. And this is the shade Sugar. Cashmere Collection. That looks like my shade there. Can't wait to try the makeup. Okay, I think that is all my products. Yes, it is. I wanted to mention something to you today. Yesterday, I wasn't planning on it, so it was a spur of the moment thing that I did. I created a makeup and skincare group. That, I think it's called Tammy's Women, Beauty, and Makeup. Tammy's Women, Beauty, and Makeup group. That's what it's called. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. But the group is where I'm going to be doing all the videos, the giveaways. So, and there is one special one coming up. I will discuss that more on a later date. Sorry, I'm just putting things back in their place. So that's it with my video. I will leave the link to my beauty group and the link to the video that I did, the demo for the Belif moisturizing balm and the Aqua Balm. You'll see that I put way too much on with the Aqua Balm. A little goes a long way, guys. That little sample, I think it probably could do like 3 applications, honest. So anyway, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I got it longer than I thought it would be, but 18 minutes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed the video, give me some likes and subscribe to my channel. And when you do, hit the little bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, guys. So have a great day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye-bye.